We're back. And I'm moving my room around again. Do you know when people just like bleach their hair or cut it off, or they, I don't know, they do something impulsively, spend a lot of money or something, when they're like having a mental breakdown or they're just like feeling shitty? Well, I moved my room around. I cut off my hair because I was having one of those moments. Decided I wanted to cut off my hair, and now it's gone, and now I have to wait to grow it out so I can dye it. I'm gonna move my room around again, and that's my logical explanation for moving my room again. And when I get paid, I'm going to buy a bunch of posters and cover my walls. I was watching room tours. I haven't done that in years. Currently 12 o'clock, midnight, and I want a floor bed. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a drill. A drill? Is that the right word? Yeah, a drill. I'm not using a screwdriver to manually do it. Oh my god. Hi. I don't even think I'd ever wear this. I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. So there's this thing on our Alexas where you can play a song on all devices, and my mom and her brother, which is my uncle, decided to play We Are the Champions this morning to wake us up. I literally got so mad I unplugged my Alexa. So it's been unplugged all day, and now I have to wait for it to turn on. It's my story. You didn't even need to know that, but I wanted to tell you because I needed to get it out there that I was very angry. Okay, I wear this shirt too much. Leave me alone. I wash it and put it back on. I can feel the bass. Oh no! Oh, there's no room in my room. I'm gonna sleep on it. Wait. Oh my god, there's a spider. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know where it went. I angered it. Moving on. I don't know what to do. I legitimately don't know what to do. Is this why they set me up to fail? Was that their plan? These metal things aren't even like screwed. I could have sworn this thing came apart. Like, obviously it comes apart, right? You don't just buy it like this. I didn't think this through. Where the hell am I gonna put that? Okay, what if I love it with my comforter on? You know what I mean? Okay, there's like, I want to like it. I want to like it. I don't want my mom to be right. Moving it back. Not the bread. The bread. Not the bed frame. This way. Moving it the way it was. So, I have a box spring, so it could look like I have a platform under, but in reality I don't. Okay, so it looks kind of cool, not even gonna lie. Like, I kind of dig it, but now my room's a mess. I don't want to clean it right now.
Look.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to throw this thing away. It is so ugly. I spilled oatmeal on it once, and it's still there. I've been embarrassed of it ever since.
Why didn't you just stick it on that side?
I did.
Oh.
Yeah, but now I don't need it, so
I
I'm going to throw it away. I'm gonna vlog it.
That was super fun.
Oh.
Smells like my ass. Ew.
Ew. Oh my god, who did that? Oh my god, you scared me. I literally was like, oh my god.
Dang it. I'm being recorded.
Oh yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You like made it worse.
That sounds
so
awful.
I'm done. My room isn't clean, but I wasn't cleaning my room. It's literally just kind of literally looks the same. I just said literally 4 times. All I did was take out my bed frame. And that took an hour and a half because I decided to move my bed. So I basically literally talked about nonsense, and then I realized the freaking mic wasn't on. So that was fun. I don't even know what I was talking about here, but I'll realize it in about a second. Why didn't I edit this before I did voiceover? Oh, there you go. Idiot. I just recorded all of that without the mic on. I'm gonna repeat everything I just said. First thing, I made a video of me stalling basically all day, and I'm gonna name it Me Being a Mess. I realized that, like, I literally just came up with it right now, and then I realized the mic was off. Second thing, I already said it, I stalled all day, I didn't clean my room, but here I am. It's the next day, we're gonna clean my room, we're gonna make it look pretty. Of course, I'm not doing a room tour until I feel it's done. I don't feel it's done until I get a lot of posters. So that's my plan. But so, like, I don't feel it's worthy. I have not done a room tour since 2016, and I don't want to put up a room tour until my walls are filled. Also, I put my LED lights that were behind my TV literally along the side of my bed, and it looks so cool. Look at it. Look at it. You can't see it, but when I make my bed, you'll be able to see it. So now I'm gonna start cleaning my room. I have been watching Sydney Lavin all day. I don't know how to say her name. I'm sorry if I butchered her name. If you know who she is, you're cool. She's so funny, and I love her, and I've been watching her all day. I'm making my bed. I have made my bed in so many videos, it's kind of annoying. But I'll speed it up so fast that it literally looks like I'm moving a million miles an hour. Play Cheap Queen by King Princess.
I can't find Cheap Queen by King Princess.
What?
Cheap Queen by King Princess on Amazon Music.
I think I'm finally gonna get rid of that blanket because I really don't need it, and it's just messing up my aesthetic. I don't even use this.
Star Shopping by Lil Peep, starting now on
Why'd you
Amazon
say it like
Music.
that? Play Save That Shit by Lil Peep.
Save That Shit by Lil Peep, starting now
Alexa
on
doesn't
Amazon
cuss.
Music.
I'm just gonna give you a quick overview. So, like, this is from my door. is there because I have water in it. It's a little bit, but I'm gonna get more. Tripod, obviously. My makeup. That's my beard. All of this area. Yes.
So that was this video. Very prolonged because I moved my bed around for no reason. But it's okay, my room is clean now, so we're chilling. Will it be clean for a long time? No, but shh, it's fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this really over the top dramatic video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.
That was an ugly outro.